Are you ready to watch us install this MaxxAir fan? Keep watching.
Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian. It's been recommended by several people that we install a ventilation fan, and I didn't realize how crucial that actually would be until we were installing all this kill mat. One evening, I was working on it and it was super cold outside. Well, I'm warm inside. I could easily wipe condensation off the top. That's why they invented this MaxxFan Deluxe, and today we're gonna put it in. Our good friend Bob and Joe are gonna help us. So if you hear any swear words, it was probably Bob.
So what I did is I just measured the rib.
Yep.
To like this edge here, 40 inches.
Okay.
And then there's another inch that we don't want to get into.
Sealant and stuff.
Maybe even an inch and a half.
That's 41.5 right there.
So that exterior is what we gotta make sure it should be. It's like 17.
It's got to be pretty
that's
exact
true.
almost, huh?
You got it. All right. There you go.
Stupid to draw.
We just drilled a hole in the roof.
We just drilled a hole in the roof.
Looks like almost dead center in between those two ribs.
I mean, we planned it that way. Yeah, we'll put that stuff aside till later. We don't need instructions.
Follow me.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
That'll get cut once your roof, your thickness gets there. Mm-hmm. You'll cut this to the right whatever, and it'll fit up, and then just attach, and just a beauty ring, right?
Gotcha.
So this is the part we got to get in. So this goes up, but this is the, I guess, the edge that I was kind of trying to match with the hole that we drill.
Seems completely counterintuitive. Got it. The drill bit might be getting a little bit dull, but about like my personality. Yeah, looks pretty good. Why does everybody get down whenever I'm getting ready to start cutting? Just need to. Oh, sweet.
Nice.
Let's hope so.
Now we just need to take all the burrs and all that stuff off of there.
Drum roll.
Oh, a little tight, isn't it?
What do you think?
Oh yeah, no, it's because it's really not going to go, but so far in here anyway,
Right.
because of this. But let's blow it off again. That's a blow wrap. That's what a lot of people get wrong, and then they just battle rust. Just wipe it all down. Is it adhesive?
Butyl tape.
Butyl. Yeah. So make this the front. You want to go all the way across, and then bring the others to it. That's the front. That's the front.
Yes.
Oh, Todd.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, take a break. I'll be back.
10-4. That squeezes that stuff out when you do this, don't it? Which is what seals it, huh?
Yeah.
I definitely feel like this is a much cleaner install than a bunch of caulk. So basically I tried to get all of them down to where they were. I could tell stuff was starting to squish out, but not like wrenching down on it, you know? And they all feel about the same. Back first, strip, strip, front.
You got it. Once you touch it, it's a done deal.
That's it, huh?
It's it. And we'll have to trim the corners a little bit.
to get them to fold into that spot.
Yeah. Line up what you gotta line up. I'll line mine up.
Pretty dead.
Anything touch that you don't want.
This stuff is kind of sticky.
Oh yeah. Don't let it touch anything we don't want it to touch.
So we took this roof tape, covered the back first, and then covered each side, and worked it around to where it would provide a really good seal all the way around and be good and waterproof. If I was to lay over here like this though and pretend like I'm holding something, it looks like I'm helping.
It looks like you're doing something.
Yeah.
Push down on it because it's got a gasket.
Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. Got it. Installation complete. Water test now.
Success!
We didn't hear any screams, so I'm assuming that's success.
Yep.
So we passed our water test. Next up is to actually hook it up to a battery. See if it works. Oh, after all that, I sure hope it works too. Here we go. Oh, look at that go. I'll be down. It works.
No more condensation.
Yes. That is beautiful. All right, installation complete. We got it hooked up to a battery and it all actually works. Couldn't ask for anything better. This is gonna make a whole lot of difference in condensation. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment below and let us know if you've installed one of these and if you've used it. Thank you, Bob and Joe. Thanks for watching.